Hello, dear. Today we want to make an application form in Microsoft Excel. Without using code or VBS, just follow these steps. Let's have try and test it. You can see that when you fill the cell, the green mark appears in front of it. And as you can see, all are the same. And in this part, there is no need to write. Use a list to choose a program. We have two options to choose the gender. In this cell, write the address and then press enter. As you can see, when you finish the last cell, the Save Database button get marked. And if I click on Save button, all the data copied to next sheet, Data Center. Full video and in YouTube channel Education Technology. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.